The drug of choice for penicillinase producing Neisseria gonorrhea urethritis is ceftriaxone. The preparation of penicillin preferred for the treatment of syphilis is benzathine penicillin G. First-line anti-TB drugs include the following except ciprofloxacin. Acidic urine augments the antibacterial action of the following drug, that is nitrofurantoin. Choose the correct statement in relation to the treatment of UTI, that is smaller dose of the antimicrobial agent suffice for the lower UTI. Indicate the drug which attains therapeutic antibacterial concentration in the UTI but not in other tissues, that is nitrofurantoin. Choose the correct statement about methenamine, that is hexamine, that it releases formaldehyde in acidic urine which in turn kills bacteria. What is true of quinapristine dalfopristin, that is it is synergistic combination of two similar antibiotics. It acts by inhibiting bacterial protein synthesis. It is active against most resistant coccal infections. Indicate the attribute that is common to both polymyxin B and bacitracin, that is both are too toxic for systemic use. Select the antimicrobial agent that can be used to treat both methicillin resistant and vancomycin resistant Staphylococcus aureus infection, that is linezolid. The following is true of linezolid except it is the drug of choice for enterococcal endocarditis. Oral vancomycin is indicated in the following condition, that is antibiotic associated with Pseudomonas enterocolitis. Redman syndrome has been associated with rapid IV injection of the following antibiotic, that is vancomycin. Teicoplanin has the following feature, that is antimicrobial activity and indication similar to vancomycin and long elimination half-life. The drug of choice for treatment of methicillin resistant Staphylococcus aureus infection is vancomycin. The following is true of vancomycin except that it acts by inhibiting bacterial protein synthesis. Feature of clindamycin include the following, that it can be used topically to treat infected acne vulgaris. The following antibiotic is highly active against anaerobic bacteria including Bacteroides fragilis, that is clindamycin. Antimicrobials effective against anaerobic bacteria include the following except, that is tobramycin. Roxithromycin has the following advantage over erythromycin, that is it causes less gastric irritation and it has long plasma half-life. Higher incidence of antibiotic associated pseudomembranous enterocolitis has been noted with the use of clindamycin. The distinctive feature of azithromycin include the following except efficacy against organisms which have developed resistance to erythromycin. Select the macrolide antibiotic that can be given once daily for 3 days for empirical treatment for ear, nose, throat, respiratory and genital infections, that is azithromycin. Select the antibiotic which inhibits drug metabolism in isoenzymes CYP3A4 resulting in potential fatal interaction with terfenadine, that is erythromycin. The following antibiotic is a first-line drug for treatment of Mycobacterium avium complex infection in AIDS patients, that is clarithromycin. Compared to erythromycin, azithromycin has extended antimicrobial spectrum, better gastric tolerance and longer duration of action. A single dose of the following antibiotic is curative in most patients of non-specific urethritis due to chlamydia trachomatis, that is don't know. The following is true of clarithromycin except it does not interact with terfenadine or cisapride to cause cardiac arrhythmias. Bacteria become erythromycin resistant by the following mechanism except elaborating a protection protein which blocks the erythromycin binding site. A patient of bronchial asthma maintained on theophylline developed upper respiratory tract infection. Which antimicrobial, if used, can increase the risk of developing theophylline toxicity, that is erythromycin. Hepatitis with cholestatic jaundice occurs most frequently as an adverse reaction to the following preparation of erythromycin, that is erythromycin isolate. Select the antibiotic which inhibits bacterial protein synthesis by interfering with translocation of elongated peptide chain from acceptor site back to the peptidyl site of the ribosome so that ribosome does not move along the messenger RNA and the peptide chain is prematurely terminated. that is erythromycin. Neomycin is widely used as a topical antibiotic because it is active against a wide range of bacteria causing superficial infections. It rarely causes contact sensitization and it is poorly absorbed from the topical sites of application. Prolonged oral therapy with the following antibiotic can damage intestinal villi resulting in steatorrhea and loose motions, that is neomycin.